Good morning students, this is Bhavna Sinha, your chemistry teacher, and this is the first video for this week. As you all know, we are discussing the chapter atoms, molecules and compounds. Today we are going to discuss about compounds. What are compounds? Compounds are the chemical substances. Compounds are the chemical substances which are made up of two or more than two types of elements, and they are chemically bonded with each other in fixed ratio. For example, I am taking an example H2O. Very common example is H2O. H2O, which we call water. What is it? It is water. Okay, now this water is made up of two different elements. You can see H stands for hydrogen. HYDROGEN, and O for oxygen. Okay, so you can see so in water two different elements are present, hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, now let us see some other features. First of all, we will see the definition of compound, and then we will see its features. So you can see here I have written the definition: pure substances made up of two or more different elements and can be separated into smaller substances by chemical means. Okay, so what are compounds? Compounds are made up of two different or elements. Okay, two or more than different elements. Here you can see it is written here, two or more different elements. Okay, like we can give the example of two elements in which two elements are combining to form the compound. Okay, let us see some examples here. H2O is there, CO2 is there, CO is there, NaCl is there, AlCl3 is there, MgO is there, Li2O. We all have studied about how these formula are written here. The compounds are having formula, and how do we write the formula we have discussed. Like one example I am giving you here, how to write the formula so that you can remember. For example, AlCl3. So Al is present, okay, Cl is present, and then Al has valency 3, Cl has valency 1. We will cross multiply, and what it will become? It will become AlCl3. So simply, first of all we have to write the symbols, and then we have to write their respective valency. Then we have to cross multiply the valency, and after cross multiplying we can just write the formula. Like here of AlCl3 it is written, aluminium chloride is written here. Now I am going to give the example of one compound which is made up of more than three elements or three elements. Like you can see here I have given the example NH4Cl. This is the compound. You can see in this three different elements are present. N is present, H is present, Cl is present. N stands for nitrogen, H stands for hydrogen, and Cl stands for chlorine. So this compound NH4Cl, which is known as ammonium chloride. What it is known as? Ammonium chloride, CHLORIDE. The name of this compound is ammonium chloride. It is made up of three different elements which are nitrogen, hydrogen and chlorine. So we can make the compounds by using two elements also, like AlCl3, and we can make the compounds by using more than three elements also, like NH4Cl. Rest we will discuss in the next class. Thank you, students.